Good morning, Scots. I'm Isabella.
And I'm Celeste. Welcome to a special edition of Scots Weekly,
The Plaid Show. Today we're sending a huge shout out to the amazing students and staff who are totally crushing it here at Highland.
And yep, we're finally answering the big question. What in the world is plaid?
Think you already know? Prove it. Quick, turn to your teacher and say what plaid stands for.
You've got 10 seconds. The countdown starts now.
TikTok Scots.
If you said pride, leadership, attitude, integrity, and determination, boom, you nailed it.
And hey, listen up. Your teacher might even hook you up with some plaid points for getting it right, which means free Highland swag.
Wait a second. Some of you are probably thinking, plaid points? What even are those?
Good question. Let's break it down.
Plaid points are basically like Highland cash. You earn them when you show these plaid values.
And then you can trade them for some seriously awesome gear right here at school. But don't forget, plaid points aren't just handed out. You gotta earn them.
That's right. The only way to rack them up is by showing pride, leadership, attitude, integrity, and determination every single day right here at Highland.
And guess what? We've got some seriously awesome Scots who are totally living the plaid life around campus.
So sit back, get inspired, and check out these videos of your fellow students showing what plaid is all about.
I hate this class.
Yeah,
I ditch it all the time.
Yeah, I hate mine too.
I don't know. I don't want to be in this class anymore. I don't even want to be at this school anymore. I'm just gonna go back to East, honestly.
What? Don't go back.
I know, it's just, the school sucks though, and I never want to be here. I never want to participate in any of my classes. It's just better if I just ditch at East instead.
Ladies, get to class. Come on, hurry up, come on. Oh, no, I can't do that. I got you now. Let's go to the league. Come on, let's go. No. These kids are fast nowadays. Where did they go? Where did these kids go? Man, I need to find these kids.
Oh my gosh. Ellie, you almost got caught. Guys, let's sit down and take a breather.
No, thank you guys. I don't know what I would have done. We're safe in here now though.
Honestly, guys, I think we should just have some pride and go to class.
I'm tired of running.
You know what? Same.
What if we just do the right thing and show some pride and turn ourselves in?
I think maybe we should.
Yeah, honestly, it's only the right thing to do. Can't keep running forever.
Plaid up.
Plaid up.
Come on, ladies. Doing the right thing, ladies.
We really are.
What are you guys doing here?
We're turning ourselves in.
That's the right way of showing pride here at school, ladies. Come on, let's go.
One opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted. One moment that you captured. Just let it slip.
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on.
Nah, you got it, bro. Let's go. You can do it.
Thank you, man. I really needed that.
Even a few words can make a difference. Be a leader.
Bro, I failed my math test. Look, I got an F.
Yeah, I got an A, but it was looking kind of brutal.
Bro. She really gave me.
Don't talk.
Bro, this is so stupid.
Wow, she failed her math test? Are you okay? You seem a little sad.
Bro, I'm a little frustrated right now because I failed my math test.
It's okay. You can always have a positive attitude and you can retake the test.
Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. I'll try having a more positive attitude and retake the test next time.
Oh, this book looks mad familiar. What? Yo, it is EJ's book. I should give it to him. Yo, I gotta find. Yo, Isaac, do you know where EJ is?
I don't. Sorry.
No, you're good, bro. Please somebody say yes. Yo, guys, have you guys seen EJ at all? No! Yo, Riley, have you seen EJ at all?
Yeah, bro, he's in video production.
Bro, thank you for telling
I got you,
me,
bro.
Thank you. Yo, Mr. Parra. Yo, EJ left his book. Is he in here?
EJ. Yo, my book. Bro, you have my book.
Bro.
Thank you, bro. I really
got
appreciate
you,
it. Where'd you
I got
find it?
Bro, it was in the middle of like nowhere at school. It
Dude,
was
no
laying there.
way, bro. Oh, bro, I thought I lost it, dude. Mwah. Thank you, bro. That's a great way of showing integrity, bro.
Bro,
I really
got
appreciate
you.
it.
All right, test, gentlemen. Man, I'm gonna fail. I'm gonna get an F.
Hey, bro, relax. Chill, bro. Listen, you got this. You just gotta believe in yourself. You gotta have some determination. All right, bro? You got that. I believe in you.
Thank you.
No problem.
10 minutes later.
Wow. All right. Good job, gentlemen. Y'all did good. Thanks.
Thank you. What'd you get?
I got an A.
Really?
Yep.
Nice, bro. I told you got that. See, with determination, you could do anything, bro.
Thanks.
Welcome back, Scots. We missed you.
Time for a quick but important school announcement.
Being on time to class every day isn't just a rule. It's showing respect for yourself, your classmates, and your teachers.
So remember, Scots, get to class, get to work, and rack up those plaid points while you're at it. And don't forget, your plaid points aren't just for gear. You can also use this to grab fast passes at food sales and skip these long lines.
And yep, food sales are coming up soon, so get ready to support your clubs, your teams, and everything awesome happening here at Highland.
All right, Scots, it's your turn to show plaid here at Highland.
This school year is just getting started. Let's show how much we care about our school.
You can do that by living out pride, leadership, attitude, integrity, and determination every single day, both inside and outside of Highland.
That's a wrap from us, but if you have any questions about plaid points,
just ask your teachers anytime.
And always remember to
plaid up.